To set app source from anywhere in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, then click or tap Settings icon, select Apps, and then select Apps and Features. On choose where to get apps, tap drop down menu, and then select anywhere or anywhere, but let me know if this comparable app on the Microsoft Store. Anywhere but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft. Select anywhere option you want, and then tap close to save. Or other method, right click on start menu icon and then select apps and features, and then on just where to get apps, select drop down menu and then select anywhere option, anywhere but let me know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store, or anywhere but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. If you select anywhere, you can also install app from other source from Microsoft Store, other Microsoft Store source, and then tap close to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.